Hello, everyone. Welcome to the classroom of Advanced Manufacturing Technologies for Welded Structures. Next, we will study the relevant content of shearing blanking operations together. I'm Zhang Wei. The plate shearing machine is a common piece of equipment in mechanical processing, and standardized operation is crucial. Let's learn how to safely and correctly use the plate shearing machine for shearing blanking. First, prepare for equipment startup. Confirming normal power connection is the basic prerequisite for startup. Only when the power connection is correct can the equipment start normally. Press the main switch of the equipment, which is the key action to start the machine. Observe whether the indicator light is on. If so, the equipment is normally powered, and you can proceed to the next operation. Checking the surrounding environment before startup is very important to avoid injury to surrounding personnel and to prevent obstacles from affecting equipment operation. Next is the core operation, blade gap adjustment. When the plate shearing machine shears plates of different thicknesses, the blade gap needs to be accurately adjusted to ensure shearing quality and equipment safety. We need to adjust the gap according to the tensile strength of the plate. The higher the strength, the larger the gap. Calculating the gap according to the plate thickness and blade gap correspondence table is a key step. For example, when the plate thickness is 1 millimeter and the tensile strength is 450 to 500 newtons per square millimeter, the blade gap should be 0.2 millimeters. During operation, first loosen the adjustment handle, turn the knob to the corresponding scale, then lock the handle to fix the adjusted gap, and finally use a feeler gauge to verify whether the gap is accurate. Special attention. Uncalibrated gaps will cause burrs on the plate or damage to the blade. Everyone must be rigorous and meticulous. Now proceed with the plate parameter settings. Enter the target length via the digital display screen. This method is both convenient and intuitive, allowing for precise input of the required plate length parameters. Next, move the rear stopper to the specified scale and secure in place. This ensures the plate is accurately positioned during shearing, guaranteeing that the shear plate meets the required length. In practice, it's crucial to set parameters accurately and double-check them to prevent material waste due to length discrepancies. For material placement and shearing operations, first, place the material smoothly on the workbench, close to the positioning stopper. Ensure the material is securely positioned and hold it firmly with both hands to align the edge with the blade, which ensures shearing accuracy. Note, handling overweight plates alone is prohibited. Two-person cooperation is required to avoid physical injury. Confirm that both hands are completely clear of the blade area, which is essential for personal safety. Step on the foot switch at a steady pace and release it immediately after shearing to ensure a smooth shearing process and prevent quality issues or misoperations. Safety precautions are of paramount importance. Before starting the machine, ensure that no personnel or obstacles are around to prevent injury or interference with the equipment during startup and operation. The safety guardrail is a crucial facility for protecting operators. Disassembling it is strictly prohibited, as it exposes operators to danger. Fingers must never be placed below the blade or the material pressing foot, as this is extremely dangerous and can lead to severe consequences, including finger amputation. During shearing, the thickness and strength of the material must not exceed the equipment's rated parameters, which are clearly marked on the equipment nameplate. Please check carefully. The nitrogen cylinder is designated for nitrogen only. Using other gases may cause safety accidents. Be sure to read the instruction manual thoroughly before operating. The manual contains vital information about the equipment, which helps ensure correct operation and prevents safety issues caused by misoperations. Finally, let's summarize. The operation formula can help you quickly master the key steps and safety points. First check, then adjust. Third, align. Keep hands away from the blade before stepping. Keep safety regulations in mind and ensure safety through efficient training. After class, please draw a mind map of the plate thickness versus gap correspondence table to deepen your understanding and memory of the relationship between plate thickness and blade gap. You should also conduct group simulations to investigate risk points of wrong operations and enhance safety and risk prevention awareness. Thank you for watching. I hope that through this study, you can proficiently master the safe operating procedures of the plate shearing machine and always prioritize safety in both training and work. This lesson is concluded. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.